Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. Today's meditation is short and something you can do anywhere as long as it's safe for you to close your eyes for just 5 minutes. So before we begin, find yourself in a place where it is safe for you to close your eyes. Find a comfortable position, sitting, standing, or lying down, and allow your hands to rest softly along your sides or on your knees, palms down. Make any adjustments you need to feel comfortable. Now gently soften or close your eyes. Find your breath and begin breathing gently in and out through your nose. Relax the jaw. Release your shoulders. Soften and surrender into this moment. If at any time throughout this meditation your mind begins to wander, simply notice without judgment and gently bring it back. Meditation is a practice, and like much of what we do in life, we are all on our own unique journeys, along which we must practice self-compassion and kindness towards ourselves. For the next few moments, simply observe your breath. Imagine breathing positive energy and vitality in, and with each exhale, visualize releasing any stress or tension. Now we're going to begin counting our breaths. Silently and to yourself, begin counting with me. Inhale 1, exhale 1. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Continue on your own until you reach the number 12. If you reach 12 before you hear my voice again, simply start over with 1. And if you lose count, simply go back to 1. Now allow your breathing to continue naturally and simply pause for a minute. Purely existing, simply being. When you're ready, take one more deep, full breath. And allow the corners of your mouth to turn up slightly, and then softly open your eyes. Notice how you feel, and sit with this feeling for a few moments while you acknowledge this time that you've taken for yourself, no matter how short. Thank you so much for sharing your meditation practice with me today. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you again soon.